Hey guys, Josh here with J-Trab Fishing. We made a new addition to the channel. Figured I'd give you guys a new shot of it. Here it is, 1983 12-foot Grumman. Picked it up on Marketplace for about 400 bucks. The trailer, it's a Harbor Freight trailer. Made a few modifications, turned it into a boat trailer. Got the old Game Fisher trolling motor, Minn Kota, 40 pound. Think I got about 120 bucks in the trolling motor. I picked a 3 horsepower Game Fisher up for, I believe, 100 bucks with another trolling motor that I'll do something with later on. Made these boat tie downs, ratchet straps. Got a holder there for my oar. I replaced the lids that were on here. Got rid of this AstroTurf carpet. Another oar here. Got to put a floor in it, but it's my wires going back to my trolling motor. Battery box set up. Got the fuse in there. Still needs a little work, some cleaning up. You know, always got to have some cane poles. Never know what you're going to get into. Another oar, because you don't want to paddle by yourself if something does happen. Put the seat on there. Found that at Walmart. It's on sale, the seat and the clamp. Pretty nice setup though. Got to do a few more things to it, but you know, you guys like, subscribe, give me some comments, tell me what you'd like to see with it. I definitely want to put some flooring in, but not sure which way I want to go with that. Just plywood and some epoxy paint or some foam flooring. Got a couple more dry storages in here. This one I use as a live well. Right now it's got my net in there, but it's got to go somewhere. We got some fish food, you know, anchor, everything you need in your boat. As far as the trailer, we just went through and added some angles. Got some UHMW plastic board for the runners. Everything seems to be holding just fine so far. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below.